Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am also good. And what is your name?
My name is Arohi Singh. What is your name?
My name is Ayan Sekhar.
So today we will have to just ask some questions about you and about me. I will tell something about me and you will have to tell something about you. Okay?
Okay.
So my first question is where are you living?
I live in Kusakurd village, which lies in the Gopalganj district in Bihar. And where do you live?
I live in also Koisa Khurd in Panchaderi, Gopalganj, Bihar. So in which school do you read?
I read in Science School Gopalganj. And where did you read?
I read in Smart Move Academy. I have listened that Sainik School is actually a very good school.
Yes, it's a very good school and it has.
So please tell me something about it.
Sainik School is a very good school in which we have to pass the entrance exam for the admission, and then we have to read at this for 7 years, in which we prepare for many
So
things.
you have also did so much struggles to get the rank, and then you get admission in the Sainik School.
Yes.
So
And what about you?
I read in Smart Move Academy and I have not actually given any exam. This is just a normal schooling, and also I am reading in currently in class 11th, and I am just preparing for JEE. So what about
Okay.
you?
Can you tell me about the JEE struggle?
Yeah, I'm a beginner, but I can definitely tell you something about it, that JEE is actually a thing by which people can students can definitely make their future bright. But students have also faces so many problems in it, and also uh, teachers, parents and students, the three person which have to do so much struggles. If a student is losing their hard work, then parents has to support it, and teachers have to read, and also teacher have to motivate the students by which they will get so much good rank. But due to so much pressures, sometimes students get their lose their hope, and due to it they are suffering from depression.
And I ask this question because I have to also do JEE, and I ask this because I want to know. And can you tell me what are the subjects we have to choose for JEE?
Oh yeah, JEE it means that you will have to choose PCM. PCM it means physics, chemistry and math. You will not have to choose biology, just because if you have so much interest in mathematics, then you will have to choose it. Just like me, that I have so much interest in mathematics. Just because of it, I get interest in physics also. But this time I cannot get so much interest in chemistry. I get some struggles in chemistry, but I'm trying to do my best. And also after some days, it can make me take weeks, but I will be better in also chemistry.
Okay.
So you will have to do so much struggle. And if you are thinking that the JEE is just like 8, 9, 10th classes, but this is not like that. This is completely different from class 10th. You will have to just focus on studies only.
Okay, I ask this question because I want to know that which are the subject.
Okay,
And,
then in which class do you read also?
I read in class 8. Recently I go.
Okay, in Sainik School, do you have participated in any games?
Yes, I participated in hockey.
Okay,
There are
so
some championships.
are you go to anywhere?
I tried, but I did not successful. But I will go next year.
Okay, it's okay. The thing is happen in the life, but you will not have to lose your hope, and also you will have to just try. And I want to ask you that which type of study and which type of food are you ate in Sainik School?
In Sainik School, we read the subjects which are teaches in the academic schools. There are 7 subjects, including chemistry and computer and Sanskrit, and the sports are also happened there.
Okay,
And,
what about the food?
the food is also very good at Science School Gopalganj. We get non-veg and veg both. In a week 4 times non-veg. We get 2 times egg and 2 times chicken.
Okay, do you miss the food of home?
Yes, sometimes I miss the food when.
Oh yeah, this is actually very natural process that people are people do not get so much food in, okay, then I'm so much satisfied with you that you read in Sainik school, and I hope that you will also get too much good rank in JEE and all the academic years. So how do you also like to meet you?
I like very good to meet with you, and best of luck for your future, for your JEE exam. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.